A quick video on a new tool that I'm making called launchbot. So first, to start launchbot, it's a command line app. So I'm going to run launchbot here in this directory, and it's going to open up. And basically, launchbot is a GUI tool for running and managing Docker containers. And so I'm going to log in. And once you log in, the idea is over on the left here, you have a list of images that are available to you to run. And over on the right here, you have a list of the containers that are running. So I'm going to run TensorFlow, and this is a machine learning library. I'm going to click the launch button, and that's going to pull up basically a list of the different hosts that I have that are available for me to run this container on. So I'm going to select Docker on localhost, and I want to map the directory, my current working directory that I started launchbot in, into the container, so that when I save and make changes, it's going to save on my local hard drive rather than on the container. I click launch, and then over here on the right hand panel, you can see the started container, and each of the ports that are exposed by the container with the different services show up as nice links here that I can use. So I'm going to open this one, and you'll see it's running a Jupyter notebook. So this is basically a tutorial that I got off GitHub to allow me to learn the machine learning tool TensorFlow. And again, you can run. This is basically just a standard old Jupyter notebook that I can run, and it's got got downloading data, the whole set of things that you could normally do. I'm gonna leave out of here, but it doesn't have to just be Jupyter. It's a general tool. So if I want to start RethinkDB, I can also start a RethinkDB container, and so now this is that NoSQL database. So I'm running that as well. This is the administrative interface for it. So this is kind of the main control page where you're able to select the different containers that you can run. This is the page where you can set up the different hosts. So if I wanted to make just a totally new Docker host, I could do this. I could click, oh, I want a new host manually. But I could also load the credentials for a service like Karina. And I'm just going to put in my API key to allow me just to grab the hosts that I have there. So let's say I wanted to launch a notebook in the cloud. So now if I go back here, when I click, launch a TensorFlow, now I have these different hosts that are available to me. And that's a kind of a powerful tool for really separating where you want the hosts to run and being able to specify that very easily. And then this publish tool up here allows you to place, to put list containers in the index. So that's a feature that's coming soon, and I'm really looking forward to working on this tool more and seeing how it develops.